Journaling is a great way to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, and can help improve your overall well-being. Here are some tips on how to start journaling and make it a habit. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes a day. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and write whatever comes to mind. Don't worry about grammar or spelling, just let your thoughts flow. Choose the right time and place. Pick a time and place where you won't be disturbed. This could be in the morning before starting your day, in the evening before bed, or during your lunch break. Find the right tool. Choose a journal that you enjoy writing in, whether it's a physical notebook or an online platform. Make sure it's something that you're comfortable using regularly. Set a goal. Make a commitment to write in your journal every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Set a goal for yourself, such as writing for 30 days in a row. Use prompts. If you're struggling to come up with things to write about, use prompts to get you started. You can find prompts online or in books on journaling. Be honest. Don't censor yourself or worry about what others might think. Write whatever comes to mind, even if it's difficult or uncomfortable. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate milestones along the way, such as writing for a week straight or hitting your 30-day goal. Acknowledge the benefits you're experiencing from journaling, such as reduced stress or improved clarity of thought. Remember, the key to making journaling a habit is consistency. Stick with it, even on days when you don't feel like writing. Over time, you'll likely find that journaling becomes an important part of your daily routine.